Hi students, I want to show you how to put your week 6 reflection into your ePortfolio. So click on classwork, and on the left hand side you will see ePortfolios. Click on that. Now click on your ePortfolio, that's your name, and you see your week 6 reflection. So you just need to use your 2 fingers. Okay, so your left finger, you click down on the reflection on the picture of it, and you use your right finger to slide up into About Me. Okay, so you just slide up into About Me like that. Now you're going to click Move, and then you are going to check here. By the way, this thing undo, if you accidentally put it in the wrong place, you can click on that. Now click on About Me, 1, 2, and you should see that your week 6 reflection is there. It might be at the bottom. Yeah, there it is, week 6 reflection. Okay, so now you want to go back to clicking on your name, and you want to go to number 2, Inventory Sheets, double click, and you're going to double click on the master inventory picture. At the bottom, you're going to go down and click on All About Me tab, just one time. Okay, and you see this, you can't see everything here, so you might want to make it smaller. I'm going to go down to 75. Okay, and now I can click here in this box, and I can write today's date. And I am going to click, so I'm just using my fingers to click on the box, click on the box. That's how I'm moving around. So I'm going to type week 6 reflection. Okay, and that looks good. So now I am done. So there was no week 1 reflection. I'm going to click on the X tab to go back. Leave. And I can also go back to my name to show me the main page, and then I can just close the X to go back to the classroom. So that's how you put your week 6 reflection into your ePortfolio.